So today I'm going to be going over the trade I took. It wasn't any crazy trade or anything like that. It was just a break-even trade. Let me move this. I need to make this smaller. Maybe I'll put it up here. Yeah, we'll do that. And not speak louder. All right, so as you can see, pretty lots of stuff going on within the markets today. So I'm just gonna delete all of this and just get right back to the basics. So going into, let me turn this down, sorry. All right, so going into the day, as you can see, the daily, we are kind of like in an uptrend. You can't really tell though. So I didn't really do anything so far with that with my daily bias. Also news today, there was red folder at 9:45. Don't know what it was, but I waited till after the trade. Which, yeah, that was good. I'm glad I did that. I followed my trading plan pretty good. Well, there could have been better things, but yeah, overall it was just decent. A decent day. Lots to work on. So yeah, on the daily, I'll just go ahead and where's my toolbar? Here we are. On the daily, I'll just go ahead and mark out liquidity on the daily time frame. So we have this right here, daily lows right here, and honestly, that's basically it. Because all the way up here, right, these daily highs, I doubt price is going to come all the way up here to sweep and then down. It's a lot to ask for. We also have these daily lows. I still don't think price is going to move that far. So going on the 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour definitely bearish. Break of structure to the downside right on the 4 hour. So looking for shorts, okay? And I didn't take shorts today. I took longs, which, yeah, we'll talk about that also. Okay, so yeah. Let me also just backtrack a little to market open. Let me go to bar replay. Thursday, Monday. All right, right here. Okay. So now we go to the 4 hour, right? We have these lows mapped out from the daily, which also just happened to be 4 hour. We have this 4 hour fair value gap right here. I don't know if price is going to come to it, but right there. We also have more 4 hour lows right here. Okay, and then that's basically it for in this area. So now I go down to the hourly. Hourly, we've got a lot of stuff going on right here. We've got hourly lows right here, more lows right here, and even more right here on the hourly. And then just over here we have an hourly high right here in this right before this 4 hour fair value gap. We have hourly lows right here, more hourly lows right here, right? Hourly highs right here, right? And that's basically it for draws on liquidity. So yeah, my ultimate trade would definitely be this, is if price comes up here, sweeps this at these hourly highs, and comes into this 4 hour fair value gap, right? Chops, break of structure, fair value gap retest, enter off that, and then come all the way back down. That would be the ideal trade for, that would be the ideal trade for that, but obviously can't always ask for, everything. So what ends up happening, that's basically my draws on liquidity. So now I go here onto the 5 minute, and I'm just waiting. The 30 minute, there's nothing too crazy going on in 30 minute. Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, 5 minute, and now I'm marking out market open, which is at 9:30. There is news at 9:45, so I waited. So we can play this out. Okay, boom, market opens right here. And then right here, this is news. This is when news comes out. Okay, and as you can see, not much happened, right? Not a huge reaction going on. We have equal highs up here now. We never actually swept these highs, so this could be a huge draw on liquidity if we did sweep some of these lows. So now I'm just waiting more. Okay, and boom, right there, we get a sweep of these hourly lows. So now I'm waiting for a break of structure above this most recent high right here. I'll mark that out in blue. Right, we're waiting for a break of structure right there on that blue. So we go here, waiting for a break, and I'll just play this out. We don't get the break, right? We don't get the break of structure. This is where I could have waited, right? I didn't wait for a full candle closure above the break of structure, but instead I use this. I still use, even though there wasn't a full closure above the recent highs, I still use the fair value gap. That's what I need to work on. Okay, I definitely need to wait for a full closure of the a full candle closure above the most recent high or low for a break of structure. I can't just be doing this wick stuff. It needs to be a full-on 100% closure, right? So now I'm waiting for price to come down into this fair value gap to enter off, which, yeah, was all right. And then my stops were right below the fair value gap. Whoops. Right, just like this. And I was targeting this first high right here for 1 to 6. Okay, so now we'll go down the 1 minute. Waiting. Oh, let me go back just a little. Okay. And this candle right here is where I buy in the fair value gap. Okay, and this is the sketchy part. Look at this, okay? Price comes so close to my stop loss. Look at that. And then eventually goes up. And look, you can look at the 5 minute. That is a nice wick reaction, right? Let me see if I can emphasize this a little. This huge wick right here, right, when we get a closure, that just shows that there are buyers present and in control. And so now I'm just waiting, right? Keep going. Okay, I move my, wait, let me go back a little. Whoops. Okay. So let me go to 1 minute here. And now we're all the way up here, right? Pretty sure it goes up more. Yep. I move my stops to break even just this close because this is a little bit of a riskier trade because daily bias overall is bearish, which I should have been just waiting for a bearish setup instead. That's on me. Yeah, so I move my stop loss to break even and boom, get stopped out for nothing, right? I didn't lose anything or gain anything. And if you see, you can play the rest of this out. I would have got stopped out for all of it, so I'm glad I moved my stop loss closer. There's lots of things I need to work on in this trading, one of which is trading with the trend, right? The trend is your friend. I need to be trading with the trend, which I didn't really do because as you can see right here on the 4 hour, right, clearly, let me get out of bar replay. Clearly, we are downtrending, right? We are in a huge downtrend. And as you can see, right, downtrending, little pullback, move down more. Little pullback, so you can expect another move down further, right? I don't know why I was really taking longs. It's because I was impatient. I also didn't wait for a full break of structure. All these things I will be working on. And yeah, so that's what happened with the trade right here is kind of all this mumbo jumbo. I was up a little, down a little, move my stops to break even, got stopped out at break even. And yeah, that's basically what it was today. So yeah, I've got a lot to work on. And that's okay, right? Every day you learn something new. Going into tomorrow, though, let's see what we've got tomorrow. Okay. Going into tomorrow, we have these. We're bearish, so I want to see a sweep of these. Whoops. I want to see a sweep of these hourly highs right here, maybe. We just swept these lows, so maybe price is going to, right? We just swept this low right here with this wick, so maybe price is going to come up, sweep this high, and then dump back down. And that would be a good looking setup for tomorrow. We have those. We also have these all the way up here. I don't think are going to get hit, but we do have like quadruple equal highs, so that is a huge point of interest. Then we can target these lows down here. And so yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing for tomorrow. I don't know what the news is. Let me look. I haven't checked the news yet. Tuesday, what's today? Today's Monday. Okay, Tuesday. So we do have Red Folder News at 8:30, which is perfect because I don't trade pre-market. We can see how much that impacts the market going on tomorrow. And so, yeah, that's basically it for that. I ended up getting out on a break-even trade. It wasn't a good trade. It wasn't a bad trade. It was just a meh trade. I did learn a lot. I'm going to continue to use that knowledge to improve my trading. So, yeah, that's basically all I have for this video. I know it's kind of shorter, but that's just how it's going to have to be for this one. It's pretty late anyways, and I'm tired. So, yeah, this is just for myself anyways. Hopefully, maybe you guys learned a little something. If not, well, that sucks. But anyways, make sure you like and subscribe.